Welcome to D for DevOps. In this video we will learn in detail about the planning stage in DevOps Lifecycle and also the most frequently used tools as well. So, let's jump into it. The planning stage in DevOps is an important step in the software development process that's the foundation for the entire project. The key activities in planning stage can be simplified in 7 steps. Let us go through those steps one by one. 1. Defining the project goals. The first step in the planning stage is to clearly define the goals and objectives of the project. This includes identifying the target audience, the problem that the software will solve, and the desired outcomes of the project. 2. Creating a product backlog. A product backlog is a prioritized list of user stories that describes the features and functionality of the software. The product backlog is a living document that is updated and refined throughout the project as new requirements are identified. Identifying necessary resources. Once the project goals have been defined, the next step is to identify the necessary resources, including the development team, the tools and technologies that will be used, and the budget and timelines. 4. Defining the scope of the project. Defining the scope of the project is an important step in the planning stage as it helps to ensure that the project stays on track and within budget. This includes identifying the deliverables, milestones, and deadlines. 5. Identifying project risks. It is an important step in the planning stage as it helps to anticipate and mitigate potential issues that could arise during the project. This includes identifying potential roadblocks, dependencies, and constraints. 6. Creating a project plan. Once the goals, resources, and risks have been identified, the next step is to create a detailed project plan that outlines the steps that will be taken to achieve the project goals. This includes a timeline, a budget, and a list of deliverables. Review and approval. After creating the project plan, it is important to review it with the relevant stakeholders and get their approval before moving forward with the development process. Several tools are commonly used in this phase to help with planning, including Jira, a project management tool that helps teams plan, track, and manage their work. Trello, a visual project management tool that uses boards and cards to help teams organize and prioritize their work. Asana, a web-based project management tool that helps teams track and manage tasks, projects, and goals. Monday.com, a project management tool that helps teams plan, track, and manage their work using a visual, board-based interface. Microsoft Project, a project management software that allows teams to plan, schedule, and manage projects and tasks. Basecamp, a project management tool that allows teams to collaborate and manage their work in one central place. This planning stage is important for the DevOps process as it lays down the foundation for the entire project, helps to understand the requirements, defines the scope and helps to anticipate and mitigate potential risks. Having a detailed and comprehensive plan in place helps to ensure that the project stays on track, within budget, and is delivered on time. In the next video we will learn in detail about the next stage in DevOps, which is the code development stage. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more such videos.